अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी, एक नई वीडियो के साथ हाज़िर हूँ। आज मैं आपको इस्लामाबाद की जो फार्मर्स मार्केट है उसका टूर कराऊँगा। बेसिकली जो वीडियो है फार्मर्स मार्केट के ऊपर है, तो आपको फार्मर्स मार्केट में मुलाकात होती है आपसे।
Assalamualaikum and welcome to the Islamabad Farmers Market. We were established in 2013 at a community center called Kuch Khas. We are currently now holding the market every week, Saturdays at the Hotspot Cafe. This is a place for small, local food producers, small farmers to come showcase their products, for buyers to buy directly from farmers and food producers. So there's a big advantage to both the grower and the consumer as well. Not to mention, the whole while creating a very healthy community. And this is very much a community activity, a healthy community activity that should be promoted not just in Islamabad but all over Pakistan.
So आप मतलब अगर लेट्स सपोज अगर मैं एक छोटा फार्मर हूँ एंड आई वांट टू जॉइन दिस फार्मर्स मार्केट, व्हाट आर सॉर्ट ऑफ योर रिक्वायरमेंट्स फॉर
So please visit our website, okay, IslamabadFarmersMarket.com. The application is now online. It is essentially a series of questions that are based a lot on the UN Food and Agriculture Organization's sustainability assessment for food and agriculture system. So it's a variety of questions that you've got to provide answers to, and then if required, we do a farm visit, and then also, it's all online.
अच्छा, ये फार्मर्स मार्केट के लिए क्या आपका फार्म होना ज़रूरी है? इफ़ यू लाइक आई ग्रो वेजिटेबल्स एट होम.
Not at all. This is actually because we are a progressive movement. We realize that agriculture needs to change, and the future for a lot of agriculture in Pakistan is the small producer, the small farmer. So there's now a lot of good agri-technology that's coming, like aquaponics, hydroponics, and then of course rooftop gardening. You have rooftop gardeners who are already here as part of this market, because you can produce now a lot more food in a small space if you're a little bit more efficient with your resources, which is something that we try to promote because it's a lot more sustainable.
तो अभी आपके पास कितने यहाँ पे कितने फार्मर्स हैं जो कि आपके साथ ऑन बोर्ड हैं?
So currently the market, obviously because of COVID, we don't want to do very large numbers. So currently you'll just see about 17 to 20 stall holders. But mashallah say we've got a community that's much bigger. You know, more than 50 small food producers, more than 50 small farmers. We're also creating Pakistan's Organic Association, which has more than 1,000 members.
Okay.
All right, because again we realize and recognize the need for a national organic certification system. That is something that the association is being created to help establish.
ओके मैं ज़रा विज़िट करूँगा, विज़िट ऑलरेडी कर चुका हूँ,
Enjoy the
लेकिन
Islamabad
ये है कि
Visit the website and we're also on social media.
हाँ वो फेसबुक से ही जो है वो मुझे पता चला है.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Noman and I am doing this Bee Wild Honey in this market since last 2 years. And this is a very good market, the farmers market. ये F7 hotspot में and ये हर हफ्ते Saturday को from 11 to 3 होती है. And the best part of this market is this is a small market, not like a big one. Very selected few vendors which are original, bringing raw and organic from their own home or from their own farm. And the good part is that the same vendors come every year. Everyone is coming since last 4-5 years. और जो visitors भी जो आते हैं, the customers, they know everyone. So hello, hi, लोगों से मिलना जुलना और there's lots of things happening here. It's very good. So मैं यहाँ पे आता हूँ and the sale is also very good because people know they have consumed your product, they have trust in your product, confident कि यार ये बंदा जो है ये अच्छी चीज़ दे रहा है. So they just come in, they know किस स्टॉल पे पहले जाना है, क्या चीज़ लेनी है, सब्ज़ी लेनी है, वहाँ से मुझे जो है वो सेब अच्छे मिलेंगे, वहाँ से मुझे देसी घी मिलेगा, यहाँ से हनी मिलेगा. So it's very easy kind of that. लेकिन I myself come क्योंकि मुझे लोगों से मिलना जुलना भी अच्छा लगता है और सैटरडे को एक थोड़ा डिफरेंट सा जो है वो डे हो जाता है. पूरा दिन पूरा वीक जो है वो ऑफिस का जो रूटीन है उससे हट के.
So you do a job?
Yeah, I do a job that's kind of a side business.
Okay.
And a passion as well. The beekeeping is my passion.
Okay.
And I'm a beekeeper. I extract this honey myself. I'm not sourcing it or from somewhere या किसी distributor से नहीं लेता. I extract it myself, produce it myself, packaging भी अपने सामने करवाता हूँ to make sure that I provide authentic, 100% pure raw and organic honey to my clients. So when people come, rather than I selling them, telling them the price, I start from how do I collect this honey, harvest this honey, किस वजह से ये organic है और raw है, and I welcome them to my farm. They can come anytime and they can see the entire process कि किस तरीके से बन रहा है and how is raw.
Maybe I mean मैं यूनिवर्सिटी में पढ़ाता हूँ. I teach BBA and MBA level. Maybe we can arrange a field trip to your farm.
That would be perfect. Because to keep it raw and organic, we take this farm, migrate it all over Pakistan.
Okay.
So in March and April and May, these are the 3 months the farm is here in Islamabad.
Okay.
So I think these 3 months you can plan a trip. And when I started it, मैंने अपने बच्चों को भी बहुत ज़्यादा इसके बारे में बताया था कि bees किस तरीके से honey collect करती हैं. And I tell you very honestly, with 100% confidence, if I start telling you about bees, their hive or how they work, you will be so interested that you will sit entire day to for me to tell you about the bees, right? So I think बच्चों को bees के बारे में you should definitely teach them. उनका team work, how do they collect honey, छोटी. I think it's very important. Thank you very much. So this is, see, now there's another vendor. He just came in, gave me this to enjoy. Just try it. So that's a part of a kind of a family culture we are having in this farmers market. So I really enjoy coming here. Spending few hours, talking to people, making new relationships.
Hi, I'm Ludo. I'm the market manager for the Islamabad Farmers Market. So what we have here is actually, what you have to think about is a showcase for the local farmers of the area. What we're trying to do is to have a place for you to come on Saturday morning and check out the best of the local providers and local vendors. We curate every vendor. What we look for is not only, of course, organic food, but aspects of sustainability. What are they doing to save energy, to save water, to reduce emission gas, to do things like women empowerment and also labor laws. So we rate all of the vendors based on that, and we have a limited space here. We don't plan on growing it to be a big market. We want to have the best of the best. The idea is for them to come here, you find the vendors, you talk to them, you try their products, and then we're trying to help them migrate to an online product so that you could order the product from them any time of the day of the week, and then come back and visit them, have questions, see new products. That's the whole idea. So we focus on diversity and quality. So absolutely quality products, and then a variety of things. We're not going to have 5 vendors of honey, and we're not going to have 10 farms. What we're going to do is 3-4 of the best farms, 2-3 of the best honey. That's what we're going to do. So the market manager on one end with Kasim, the market owner, we curate the market, qualify the vendors, and then on the other end, then we also organize it so that it flows correctly. We can follow the SOPs, do things like that, and try to make it an experience. We have a great garden here at Hotspot. We want for this to be a Saturday morning excursion. You come see what is the best of the valley in these vendors, then sit down, have a drink, enjoy yourself in this beautiful garden. That's our vision.
Thank you very much.
Hello, so we have recently joined this farmers market, like it's been a month, and it has been a wonderful experience so far. Our business is also new, so it has been a very good platform to present our things and to interact with people. Thank you.
तो आप जो है वो आप कैसा जो है वो लोगों का कैसा रिस्पांस आपको मिल रहा है being a female entrepreneur?
People are being quite helpful and nice. Usually people are appreciating this organic and natural stuff. So it has been a good response. Yeah.
Okay, thank you madam.
You're
Thank you.
welcome.
ये हमारे पास होममेड नेचुरल सोप्स एंड शैम्पूज हैं और विदाउट एनी केमिकल्स और ये हम इस्लामाबाद फार्मर्स मार्केट से तकरीबन 1 महीना हुआ है और बहुत अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स है, बेटर देन एक्सपेक्टेड। और अभी काफ़ी सारे प्रोडक्ट्स ख़त्म हो गए हैं, इसलिए आपको ये सोप्स हैं और ये शैम्पू बार है, ये आप बालों पे इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं। इसी तरह लिक्विड हेयर वॉश है और हमारे पास बॉडी वॉश भी था वो।
तो कैसा एक्सपीरियंस आपका रहा फार्मर्स मार्केट में, मतलब कस्टमर वाइज? और
बेसिकली जो हमारी प्रोडक्ट्स हैं वो सारी नेचुरल हैं, नॉन केमिकल, और हम प्लास्टिक को अवॉइड करते हैं। तो जो हमारी मार्केट थी, टारगेट मार्केट, वो हमें यहाँ बहुत अच्छे तरीके से मिली है, क्योंकि यहाँ सारे इसी लाइफस्टाइल को प्रमोट करने के लिए ऑर्गेनिक लाइफस्टाइल और नेचुरल लिविंग, ज़ीरो वेस्ट, ये सारी चीज़ें वही हैं जो हम चाह रहे थे अपने प्रोडक्ट्स में। तो उस हिसाब से हमें बहुत आसानी हुई कि हमें हमारे कस्टमर जो हम चाह रहे थे वो हमारा बहुत अच्छा यहाँ पे क्लाइंट है। तो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह काफ़ी शॉर्ट टाइम में काफ़ी रिपीटिंग कस्टमर्स आए हैं।
तो आपको कितना अर्सा हो गया है फार्मर्स में? 1 मंथ। अच्छा,
हुआ है, कोविड के बाद से हमने स्टार्ट किया। तो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह अभी तक बहुत अच्छा है।
और प्रोडक्ट्स भी विंटर से रिलेटेड ऐड करेंगे, जो बॉडी क्रीम्स या लिप बाम्स इंशाल्लाह लोग वो भी पूछते हैं और चीज़ें
ऑब्वियसली। सो ये था जी मार्केट, फार्मर्स मार्केट का थोड़ा सा ओवरव्यू। तो उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आपको मेरी ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। चैनल को लाइक कीजिएगा, शेयर कीजिएगा, सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा और इंशाल्लाह अगली वीडियो में मुलाकात होगी आपसे। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।